Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me. Flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me.
I'm actually getting ready for my college and I'm sweating like this and I have to run. It's 7 a.m. in the morning and I just have to leave. So basically you already know what this video is about. So go watch the DIY tutorial of these two. And I have to run, so excuse my poor introduction. So the first notebook has the 9 phases of moon, and for that I'm using a black chart paper. You are going to need a stencil. So for that you are going to need a chart paper and you have to make a circle outline and then you have to cut out that circle and that will give you the perfect stencil. Make sure that you're using a thick type of paper. Now this part is totally optional. You don't have to draw the outlines on the black chart paper, but then if you do draw the outlines, it will help you to understand where to place the stencil. So now place the stencil on the black chart paper and use a sponge to transfer the white color, because the sponge will give a perfect texture of the moon. You can see some portions are very light and some portions are very dark, and that's the thing we are going for. It kind of looks similar to that of the moon texture. So we use a sponge, dab it on the portion and see a picture from Pinterest and see the 9 phases of the moon and just dab and dab. Don't use a lot of water, just use colors. We're done. You just have to paste the paper on the notebook and voila, your notebook having the 9 phases of moon is ready.
You went away. You've been sending flowers, flowers to me. Flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me.
So for the second notebook, I'm using a white chart paper. You're going to need some color and a fork because we are going to eat. No, just kidding, we are going to paint with this. With the help of your brushes, just apply the color at the back of your fork and just start painting just the way I am. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, yet really cute, and I think it's a very easy way even to color your white pencil bags or any fabric.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me. Flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your...
So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have to run now because I have to leave. It's already 7:30 and I'm late. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel if you're someone new. And yeah, do comment down below that which one did you like the most, this or this. Personally, I love this one. I just love this one, and I'm sweating like a pig. Anyways, bye guys.